In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use time tracking and reporting in ClickUp. To get started, make sure you're logged into your ClickUp workspace and then head over to the list where you normally manage your personal tasks. Once you're on that list view, look towards the top or side navigation where you can access more high-level views. Here, you'll see an option that takes you into your dashboards. Go ahead and click on Dashboard to open up your reporting area. Inside the dashboard, look for the option called Schedule Report. This is where you can automate sending out reports so you don't have to manually pull them every time. Click on Schedule Report and then choose Add Schedule. At this stage, you'd normally configure things like how often you want the report to be sent and to whom, but for now, we're just walking through the flow. Once you see the scheduling options, you'll notice there's a Create button to confirm your new schedule. Click on Create to see how it works, and if you're just testing this out, you can hit Cancel to back out and avoid saving anything you don't need yet. Next, we'll explore some of the usage and audit information. In the same dashboard area, click on Usage. This section helps you understand how your workspace is being used overall. From there, click on Audit Log. The audit log gives you a history of changes and activities, which can be really helpful when you're tracking time-related actions and want to see who did what and when. Now let's customize the dashboard to display time tracking data. Click on the highlighted area where cards can be added and then select Add Card. You'll see different types of cards you can add. Choose Custom because we want to build a view tailored to your process. You'll notice several filter and grouping options like sprints, statuses, tags, assignees, and priorities. Click through each of these so you can see how they affect what shows in your card. This is useful if you want to break down time by sprint, by the status of tasks, by who they're assigned to, or by their importance. Most importantly, click on Time Tracking. This ties your card directly to the time entries in your workspace, letting you report on how much time is being logged and where. Once you're happy with the configuration, click the highlighted confirmation area, then choose Add Card again to place it on your dashboard. You've now set up a dashboard that uses ClickUp's time tracking and reporting to give you clear, actionable insights into your work.